Hi everyone, this is the Unspeakable from Innerscapes Art Studios. Today I'm doing a dot painting. I had no energy or mind to do anything other than dots. It was quite cold, and here on the West Coast we're in this weather pattern called the Pineapple Express. So in the 2 hours that it took me to paint this, I experienced sunshine, wind, rain, hail, snow, and not in that order. It was kind of a wacky day and quite cold. So I wanted to get through this painting, and I'm using up the speeding up process again. This took 2 hours. There's no way I'm doing that long of a video. But today I wanted to talk a little bit about abstract art because I feel what I do is an abstraction and sometimes it's art. And it's very expressive. And there is a movement that the critics or the people who write about art and define things that they call abstract art. And there is a movement called expressionist art. And then there's abstract expressionist art. And these people make these things up, and I don't really know all the definitions, but I feel as though sometimes what I do fits into those categories. So I looked it up on Wikipedia, and Wikipedia says that abstract art uses a visual language of color, shape, form, line, and I would add movement and flow um, to create a composition that exists with a degree of independence, not referring to things from the visual references in the world. So that could be referring to feelings, it could be referring to inner states, it could be referring to dreams, or just geometric shape and expression. And then expressionists use color and exaggerations and emotionally charged paintings. So I kind of have a little of both, but not really. Abstract art's been going on since anyone ever picked up a piece of charcoal and scribbled on a rock. Most design is an abstraction. But why I'm telling you this is because my intention was so simple today, just to get through a dot painting. So I would have something to post and continue my commitment to myself to keep painting every day. And I pulled out my box and had about 14 colors in there and just chose as I went along. But as I look at this, and when it was drying, I noticed this is how I felt like the weather was today on the porch. Even though I didn't mentally connect the two, in looking at it afterwards, it kind of came through the painting again without my interpretation. So thank you for joining me. I'll talk more next time.